Hi everyone and welcome to Germany for Student channel. Let's solve this exercise. Sie malt blank Blume für blank Mama, which means she paints a flower for her mother. Now in this sentence we have two blanks. First blank we have to put indefinite article, and for that we need to know two things. First, the gender of Blume. Blume in German language is a feminine noun, and second thing, we need to know whether the Blume is in accusative case, nominative case, or dative case. Since the flower is being painted, therefore it is receiving an action. Anything that is receiving an action is the object of sentence, and object of sentence is always accusative. Therefore, we have to use the correct indefinite article for a feminine noun in accusative case, which is eine. So it can be either second option or the third option. Now let's look at the second blank, which is für blank mama. Now mama is a feminine noun and für is again an accusative preposition, so we have to find the right ending for a feminine noun in accusative case. And because she is painting a flower for her mother's, therefore it is ihre, not seine. If it's he paints a flower for his mother, then it would be seine. In this sentence we have feminine subject of the sentence, therefore we have to use ihre and not the seine. So the right option will be ihre, and the right sentence will be Sie malt eine Blume für ihre Mama. If you would like to have more exercises like this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.